Sterlite Energy, we understand, has approached banks for refinancing loans. In fact, it's quite a trend that we've spotted. Despite tough economic conditions, more and more corporates are now back in the market to raise funds. But let's take it straight then to Mohit, who's joining us live from our Mumbai newsroom. Well, tell us, Mohit, what is it that you're picking up?
Right, Tanya. Of course, to begin with, we understand that Sterlite Energy, which is part of the Sesa Sterlite merged entities and houses the entire power generation business of the Vedanta Group, has actually gone to the market and approached banks, including Standard Chartered and ICICI Bank, as well as a number of PSU banks, to refinance some of their existing debt worth about 3,000 crore rupees. That's really the value of the refinancing loan that they're looking at. Existing debt, of course, is mostly short-term debt in the form of commercial paper as well as promoter loans, which has a tenor of about 6 to 12 months. So they're essentially looking at rolling over this debt into long-term debt, 3 to 5 year tenor, and of course probably getting a more favorable interest rate, given the fact that interest rates have begun to soften a bit. This is a trend, like we said, of course, that we are seeing across the board for India Inc. A lot of companies coming to the market to raise funds. At least the debt market seem to be attractive enough to raise funds. We've seen over the last few weeks LIC Housing Finance actually raising 500 crore rupees through issue of non-convertible debentures. We've seen Tata Capital raise about 400 crore rupees again through issue of non-convertible debentures. Even Vodafone looking at raising about 2,000 crore rupees through in the form of working capital loans. So clearly there does seem to be some activity picking up on the debt side of the market, which at least puts in place some perspective, positive perspective, that the investment cycle has begun to really tick again and is not disrupted, given the fact that there's a lot of volatility in terms of other factors.